Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about wall mounted soap box. So this is made with stainless steel sheet, and I'm going to show you how to create forming tool. So this is the forming tool. I'm going to show you how to use forming tool in sheet metal, and I'm going to show you how to create the stainless steel soap box in sheet metal module. So let's start now. So now I'm going to show you how to create forming tool. So now select the top plane, create a sketch, select a center point rectangle, this is 120, this is 80, select extruded boss. Here we can take any thickness, so I'm taking it as 5 mm. So these kind of components better to create in top plane. Select this face, create sketch, select center point rectangle, this is 8, this is 15, now select extruded boss, here take 15 mm and draft angle is 15 degrees, say OK. Now we have to give fillets. See, initially we have to give these vertical edges so that after creating it, take other fillets, take it as a tangency. Now once again select fillet. See, we can see here, once we select this edge, all edges are selected. So give it 5 mm and select this. So when we give this vertical edges, it's easier for us to create these fillets. Now select this edge, go to sketch, keep it normal. So now we have to create this projected shape. Now from this origin to this center line is 20. See here, these arcs are not constrained. So for that, what we have to do is select this origin and this center point. Make it horizontal. So this sketch is fully defined. Now go to linear pattern. We need 3 instances. And here we have to select this sketch, go to linear pattern. Here we have to give 20 mm and number of instances 3. Go to extruded boss. Here we can give any thickness, so it should be more than thickness of the sheet, so I am giving 3 mm. Because it has to remove the material. Now we have to go to sheet metal forming tool, select this stopping face. So here the blue color highlighted is stopping face and yellow color is forming face, and red color is cutout. So remove material, we have to select these top faces, all the 3. See, these 3 are selected now. Say OK. So we have to save this file in this. So I have saved this file in forming tool folder with the soapbox forming tool. Now I am going to show you how to create the sheet metal soapbox. So now I am going to create stainless steel soapbox. Select the top plane. This is 120 by 80. See, this is same as the forming tool size. Say OK. So go to sheet metal, select base flange. Here I am taking as 2 mm and K factor is 0.4. Say OK. See here material, I am taking it as 304, so that is stainless steel material. Here we have to apply the fillets. So this is 10 mm. So we have to go to forming tool folder and we have to place it here. We have to go to position, keep it normal. Here so this is 40. So this point is moving. What we need to do is we have to make it coincide with this point. This is 60. Say OK. So this forming operation is done. Now we have to create this holding flange. So here we have to select this edge flange, move upward, say OK. Now what we have to do is we have to edit the sketch. Simply hold this point and move inside. Now distance between this point and this point is 25. This is 50. So the sketch is constrained and it is completely defined. See here it is taking as a tearing operation. So what we need to do is edit flange and we have to select bend outside. Say OK. So this is done. Now we have to create cutouts. Select this face, go to sketch. See, I have already created the sketch. This is 5.5. This is 6. Now create one center line. Mirror entities. So here we have to go to cut extrude and link to thickness. Say OK. Now we have to create fillets. Select this edge and this edge. It is 10 mm. So this complete sheet metal soap box is created. So this is how we have to create soap box with the forming tool. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.